Hello and welcome to Wheel Joint. Today I am going to show you how to replace the battery in the key fob of your Kia Sportage. If your smart key is no longer working or the battery is running low, this simple procedure can save you a trip to the dealership. Let's get started. To open the key fob, locate the small release button on the back. Press and hold the release button, and use your other hand to pull out the mechanical key. Now place the end of the mechanical key into this designated slot. And twist the key to pry the key fob apart. You can also use a flathead screwdriver or a plastic prying tool to separate the two halves. Be cautious not to use excessive force, as you don't want to break or damage the key fob. Inside the key fob, you'll see the old battery. Carefully remove it by pushing it out of its compartment using your finger or a small tool if needed. Now take your new battery and make sure it's the correct type and has the same voltage as the old one. Using the wrong battery can cause the smart key to malfunction. This key fob uses 3-volt CR2032 type battery. Insert the new battery into the compartment, making sure the positive and negative sides match the markings inside the key fob. Make sure the battery is properly seated. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble the key fob. Carefully align the two halves and snap them back together. You should hear a satisfying click when it's closed securely. Insert the mechanical key back into the key fob. Now, give it a quick test to ensure it's working properly by pressing the buttons. That's how you replace the battery in your Kia Sportage key fob. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Wheel Joint for more automotive tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Drive safely, and we'll see you in the next video.